Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we will learn how to automate music concert bookings on WhatsApp. For example, let's say you are a music concert organizer and you receive multiple booking requests from your customers at the same time. Responding to every message and managing bookings manually can be confusing and time-consuming task. So to solve this problem, we will automate this entire process by creating an automated WhatsApp chatbot, and that will be created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. But before moving forward, let me give you a quick overview of how this bot will work in real time. For that, I am going to send one message to my WhatsApp business account of music concert. Here I am sending my first message as book ticket. As soon as I send the message, you will see that the bot instantly responds like this, that hi there, welcome to Melody Wave concert. Please select the type of event you are planning for with one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the types of events, that is concert or live show, wedding reception and the community function. I want to book an event for community function, so I am selecting this. Then it will ask me for my full name that I am sharing as test user. Next it will ask me for my contact number, so I am sharing one test contact number also. Next it will ask me to share the event date, so I am sharing one date. Then the event address, here I am sharing one test address. Then you will see I have received one customized message from my bot, which includes my name as a test user that I have shared while communicating with my bot, my contact number, event type that I have selected from the list as community function, my event venue as a new garden, and the booking date. So if you also want to create this type of automated WhatsApp chatbot for your music concert bookings, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So this is the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick overview of Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. If you face any issue while using the Pabbly, then you can share your questions here, and the people who are facing similar problems just like you or even the Pabbly team members will help you out. So if you also want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description below. You can check out. Now we will go back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In this page, on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on this sign in option. So these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, and that will be created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking access now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. Here you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how you can connect your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it for both of these steps. I'll provide the link of the video in the description below. You can check out. And in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to write the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. And in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. On the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. Check the description below for the video link. Now, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this flows option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. It creates and manages static chatbot seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I will click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, that is trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am entering the name as automate music concert bookings on WhatsApp. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. On the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active and inactive toggle. With the help of this toggle your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will becomes inactive and it will not work. And the other one is the save button. With the help of this button your flow will be saved and updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. I am creating this flow with the help of keywords, so I am selecting this keyword / regex. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And the other one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. As we are creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keyword, so the first keyword I am entering in this enter keywords box as book event. After writing the keyword you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now I am adding one more keyword here, music event. Here I added only two keywords, but you can add more. Whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account of music concert, then automatically my bot gets trigger and reply to them. For that I am taking one list button, drag this box here. You can see this list box is divided in three parts, that is header, body and footer, where you have to write the header in this enter header box. It is an optional, so I am not writing it. After that I am writing the body in this enter body box. That is, hi there, welcome to Melody Wave concert. At the end of this message I write that please select the type of event you are planning for. Now I want to add the list of types of events. For that I am clicking on this add section button. You can also write the footer in this enter footer box if you want to. Here I am providing the section title as event type. After that I want to add the list of event types. For that I am clicking on this plus add items button 3 times. Here I am going to add only 3 types of events, but you can add more. The process of adding items into your list would be the same. Here I added, that is concert or live show, wedding reception and the community function. Now you can also write the description in this enter description box if you want to. Now I am connecting the starting point of my flow, that is this trigger, to this message by clicking on this circle, dragging a line and connecting this line to this circle. Here my trigger point is connected to my message. Here when my user will select the event type, then my bot will respond to them. But before that I am going to do the setup of custom field tag. For that I am clicking on this actions option and take button as set custom field. I drag this box here where I am going to select the contact custom field as event type. After that in this enter value box I am going to write this, that is concert or live show, because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this event type. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Now I am going to explain you why we use this contact custom field node here and from where you can create this contact custom field. But before moving anywhere, at first you have to save your flow. If you don't save your flow and switch to the another tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. So make sure that save your flow at first. Now for creating this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and click on this contact custom fields option. Here I am opening this in a new tab. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, emails, tags, countries, etc. When you scroll down, you can see one option is there, that is plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to write the field name here and also write the description in this field description box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of event type, so I am not creating more. Now we will go back to our flow. Here I set this contact custom field not for this event types. Now I am going to do the setup of 2 more contact custom field nodes for both of these event types also. Here I have done, you can see I use the same contact custom field node here, that is the event type, but I only change the value. At the end, this will help my bot to provide customized message to my users completely based on their selected choice. Now when my user will select the event type, then my bot will ask them to share their full name. For that, I am taking one ask question button, drag this box here where I am going to write my question in this enter message box. That is, please share your full name. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as full name. After that, the format I select as text, then the number of attempts. Number of attempts is defined as how many times your user will answer the question that you have written here. It also means that whenever your user will not provide you answer in the correct format, then you have to increase the number of attempts for them. But make sure that whenever you increase the number of attempts, you have to write the validation message in this enter message box. Here I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that, I am connecting all these 3 circles to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will provide with their full name, then my bot will ask them to share their contact number, date of booking the event and the venue. For that, I am going to do the same that I have done here, means I am adding 3 more questions in this flow. Here I added, where in this question box I ask my user to share their contact number. For that, I have selected the contact custom field as contact number and the format I select as number. I also write the minimum and maximum value in both of these boxes, that is 10 times 1 and the 10 times 9. This is the default values for the number format. You can also use this. Next, I ask my user to share their event date. For that, I have selected the contact custom field as event date, then the format I select as date, then the number of attempt I'll provide as 0, and lastly I ask my user to share the event place. For that, I have selected the contact custom field as event venue and the format I select as any. After that, I connected all these questions boxes to each other. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Here I added these questions in the spot as a test example. You can make the changes in it completely based on your choice. Now when my user will select the event type, provide me their full name, contact number, event date and the venue, then at last my bot will provide them one customized confirmation message which includes all of their information. For that, I am clicking on this messages option and selecting the button as text button. Drag this box here where I am going to write my respond message in this enter message box. That is, your concert booking request is confirmed. Here are your details: name with $symbol, full name, contact number, event type, venue and the date. You can see I have used the $symbol before some fields because with the help of this symbol, my bot will respond to my users dynamically. As whenever they share their full name here, then with the help of this contact custom field not full name, my bot will automatically capture my user response and mention their provided name in this place. This is same for all of these contact custom fields. In simple words, contact custom fields make data dynamic. So now I think you will better understand the main use of contact custom field. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate music concert bookings on WhatsApp. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. If you face any difficulties or you have any questions on the creation of this flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I also provide the link of this flow in the description below. You can check out. This automated chatbot will save your time and reply to your users instantly without you doing any manual efforts. And all of this is made possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.